my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you did tell me that Thalapathy Vijay's new song has dropped and it's something that he has sung himself. So it's gonna be a special one. Let me read the title and description and we can get started. Jananayagan Chella Magle lyrical video. It's starring Thalapathy Vijay, Pooja Hegde, Bobby Deol, Magda Baiju and Gautam Vasudev. Vasudev Menon, Prakash Raj. I thought it's over, but there was another line down below. Priya Mani, Naren and others. Produced by Venkat K. Narayana. Directed by H. Vinod. Anybody else? Action, Anil Arasu. Choreography. Dekho. Anyway, we are listening to the song, so ye sab dekhna. It's necessary. Choreography, Shekhar Vijay Sudan. Music design, Science Cinema. Sound mix, Kannan Ganpat. Makeup is by P. Naranjan and costumer will be Muthul Hafiz. और बहुत सारे informations हैं and there's a lot other informations like song title Chella Magle, album or movie Jananayagan, composed by Anirudh. Okay, so it's gonna be another Anirudh musical. Lyrics by Vivek, vocals Thalapathy Vijay, Crazy. It's trending on number 2 on music trending charts. I cannot wait and we're gonna go for it. Let me just turn on the captions and go. It's going to be an animated one. Chill, very chill. Anirudh, once again with Thalapathy Vijay. Oh, it's a cutie story. Oh, it's Thalapathy Vijay's voice, right? A child's smile is always beautiful. Cute! Yay! She's so lucky. Singer Thalapathy Vijay. Lyrics Vivek. The videography as in from a child's point of view. A colorful world which is so beautiful. Produced by Venkat K.
நீங்காது என்னோட கால்கள் ஒன்ன கொண்டாட உண்டான தோள்கள் சிறுவிழியால் கதை கதையா நீ பேச வேணும் உலகத்துக்கே கதவடை நானும் உனக்கென தர உயிர் இருக்குது கண்ணே மணியே கண்ணிமாயே என் கைக்குள்ள மலர்ந்தவளே நெஞ்சில் குடியிருக்கும் நானீனாக என் நீதானே என் செல்லமாகவே கண்ணே மணியே கண்ணிமாயே.
The kid's probably his daughter in this film, right? Playing over and over again. A butterfly transformation on growth. It's a lullaby. all our kids.
எந்தன் நெஞ்சில் குடியிருக்கும் நானீராத என்ன
Seeing a kid always makes you happy, but that associated with Thalapathy Vijay just makes the whole experience a wholesome one. And they just had this very good chemistry going on as a father and a daughter with a lot of synchronized feeling, whether it's love, imagination, or transformation. It's very beautiful for a father to see a child growing up to a fully formed, wonderful woman. And she seems to be the apple of his eye in this movie, right? The emotions, the way he was singing, it felt also real. And the way he was tearing up at the end, I'm sure a lot of fans must have teared up with him. One of the fathers who are actually away from your daughters at this current moment, you might have teared up. But others who are with their daughters or family right now, you could always play the song and put her to sleep. It's just a lullaby, a wonderful one indeed. And surely it's trending on number 2 on music trending charts. Plus all the people who love Thalapathy, he probably sees you as his children. So it could be a gift to you guys, the fans, right? Before he goes away, this is one lullaby that he wants to give you guys to put you to sleep. And always remember the warmth through the song. Let's check out some of the comments and on this. Also, I forgot to mention because we were watching Thalapathy and the child and the beautiful, chemistry between them. Completely forgot about Anirudh in the whole picture, but of course the composition was well made by Anirudh. It was a sweet, melodious one, and only Anirudh could always keep bringing back these kind of music that actually makes you want to listen over and over again. Now let's go to the comments. All Thalapathy fans assemble button. If you have, don't forget to like the video and show a lot of love for him in the comments. One last time, crying emoji, one last dance, heart, one last audio, launch, one last Kuti story. He has indeed given a great story for you guys, and this whole movie is gonna be a fine experience because Thalapathy Vijay is gonna leave us soon. But he will always stay in our hearts. Especially, you can always go rewatch all of his good movies. Stalin and Uday haters assemble. Who's Stalin and Uday? Why are you guys hating on them? Give me some context. Even I want to be included in the hating. Just kidding. Just want to understand what's going on. Who's listening at night after 10 p.m? I'm currently recording on 4:39 a.m. Guys, like the video. Anyone, today is Saturday? Today is Sunday. Sorry, Monday. Late. Thalapathy crying, the crying emoji. Of course, I told you. Fans must have cried because of this. Anyone listening 2 times, definitely add this to your Spotify. Especially when you're going to sleep, you don't want to listen to, rock or metal. So these kind of songs would put you to sleep and help you have a good relaxation. Actor, no. Singer, no. Dancer, no. Politician, no. All-rounder, yes. Thalapathy Vijay, absolutely well said. Because he is an all-rounder. He can just go around, touch anything and make it greater. So this man is just something else. Let's end it here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. All the love for Thalapathy in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one. Probably gonna be a fight scene. So stay tuned for all of the reactions. We have been doing all the reactions back to back. And after the fight scene that will be coming on the channel, I'll be gone for some time because I need some rest. And then I'll come back for you guys. Okay? So thank you and bye.
No filter, I got no filter, no filter.